In the ever-evolving world of fitness, navigating the myriad of exercises to target various muscle groups can be a daunting task. It's not uncommon to find gym-goers following trends from magazines or mimicking influencers on social media. However, it's crucial to understand that a significant portion of muscle gains can be achieved through 7 fundamental compound movements. Neglecting these exercises or their variations means leaving potential gains on the table. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into each of these essential exercises, providing insights into their benefits, proper execution, and recommended frequency. So let's get started. Number 1. Squat, the foundation of lower body strength. The squat is hailed as the king of lower body exercises, engaging key muscles from glutes and quads to hamstrings and calves. However, the depth of the squat plays a crucial role in maximizing leg growth. Studies emphasize the importance of a full range of motion, with deep squats yielding superior strength and performance gains compared to partial squats. Recommendations include incorporating squats into your routine at least twice a week, with variations for heavier and lighter days. Number 2. Deadlift, total body mass builder. The deadlift stands as an unparalleled total body mass builder, targeting the posterior chain, including hamstrings, glutes, spinal erectors, lats, and traps. Proper form is paramount, emphasizing stability through the upper back to ensure efficient weight movement. It's advised to integrate deadlifts once a week, focusing on the 3 to 8 rep range to avoid fatigue and potential injury. Number 3. Barbell row, crafting a powerful back. The barbell row is a versatile exercise that trains the entire back, incorporating variations for specific emphasis. Techniques such as grip width and body positioning play a role in targeting different muscle groups. Weekly recommendations include 1 to 2 sessions, focusing on the 6 to 10 rep range to balance intensity without compromising form. Number 4. Bench press, sculpting a robust chest. Research has established a strong correlation between chest size and bench press strength, making it a staple for chest development. Tips for optimal execution include creating a stable arch in the spine and using leg drive. Bench pressing 1 to 3 times per week in various rep ranges, including 3 to 12 reps, is recommended. Number 5. Overhead press, building massive shoulders. The overhead press is hailed as the best all-around exercise for shoulder development, with additional benefits for the upper chest, triceps, and bench press strength. Variants such as seated and standing options offer versatility. Integrating overhead presses 2 times a week, alternating between heavier and lighter load days, ensures comprehensive shoulder development. Number 6. Lunges, unilateral leg training for balance. While squats excel in lower body development, lunges add a unilateral dimension, preventing muscle imbalances. Lunges target hamstrings, glutes, and quadriceps, with variations to emphasize specific muscle groups. It's recommended to include lunge or split squat variants 1 to 2 times per week in the 8 to 12 rep range. Number 7. Pull-ups, sculpting a V-tapered back. An essential bodyweight exercise, pull-ups are unmatched in targeting the upper back, lats, and biceps. This compound movement contributes to achieving a V-tapered physique by emphasizing the width of the back. To perform pull-ups effectively, engage your lats, retract your shoulder blades, and pull your body towards the bar. Include pull-ups in your routine at least once a week, adjusting the rep range based on your fitness level. This exercise complements the other compound movements, ensuring comprehensive back development and enhancing overall upper body aesthetics. Bonus exercises. In addition to the core 7 exercises, targeted movements for biceps and mid-delts are essential for a well-rounded physique. Barbell or dumbbell curls effectively target biceps, while incline dumbbell curls emphasize the long head. For mid-delts, lateral raises, both with dumbbells and cables, ensure comprehensive development. In conclusion, by incorporating these fundamental exercises into your training regimen, you create a solid foundation for muscle development. While the core 7 movements form the cornerstone of mass building, Bonus exercises address specific areas for a balanced physique. Tailor your workout routine to include these exercises, adjusting frequency and intensity based on individual goals and preferences. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to unlocking the full potential of these essential movements. Also, click here to know how to increase testosterone naturally by 5 simple ways. See you in the next one.